Hey guys, so I just got home back from the flea market. We walked around for about an hour. We went to a few different vendors, but I bought most of my plants from one man. His price was reasonable and the plants were beautiful. So the first thing I got was this. Oh, it is neon and pink, and the size, look at it, for $1.50. Okay, now this one is also $1.50. Anything in these small styrofoam cup is $1.50. This one is $3.50. The next one I picked up is a wandering jade. It's a beautiful plant and it has some purple here. And I'm going to combine these two together to make one pot, one hanging basket. So this plant is a pink butterfly. I've been wanting this for quite some time and I finally got one. Now this one is $3.50. I picked this one up because it has that rosette flower there. I love this one. It's gorgeous. So this one is I'm not sure if this is the Echeveria, but I picked this one up because it is blue, it's bright, and it's big, for $3.50. Beautiful plant. So this one is also $3.50. It's a cacti. It is variegated and it has pink and white and green. It's gorgeous. I don't know if it's gonna fit into the frame, but ouch. I got two of these. It has babies all over. Oh, there's a hummingbird. Anyway, so yeah, this is $3.50. I love it. Love it. Okay, so this is all that I picked up from today. So yeah guys, I hope you guys will go out there to your local flea market, swap meet, or whatever, and look around. Hopefully you guys will find some great plants for some amazing price. If you guys like these kind of videos, please like and subscribe to my channel. You'll be seeing more pretty soon. Thank you. Bye.